Hey guys, it's Casey, and today I will be starting off my first YouTube video. Sorry, I just have a little cough. And for my first video, I wanted to be showing you my very first squishy package. I'm really excited. It came from Kawaii Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's just get it. It came with so there's no notepad. I'll give you the first peek. So everything did fall out. So the first thing I have here is this soccer ball. This does really not look like a soccer ball, but it's so rising, so I guess it's okay. Cause I think they it smells like they put it in water and then washed it with soap, like they were doing squishy dares. So yeah. Next thing is the rare tennis ball. I went to every store and cannot find any squishies. So I just went ahead and ordered it online. So yeah. Next one here is the basketball. I was really hoping this one would look good. So yeah. And the last one I ordered was the football. It's really soft. And they said they were all going to be licensed and they were licensed. See the jar room. I don't know if you can see that, but it says jar room. I'm so sorry. It's made in China and it says jar room. So yeah, these are like really soft, like so soft. So yeah, I just want to show you my squishies. Bye. Peace out.